If you've been on the internet for long enough, you've probably seen one of these Lo-Fi Girl videos. Lo-Fi Girl is a channel that has 24/7 music playing with this animation right here. With the help of these AI tools, you can now create your own lo-fi song to go along with the lo-fi animation of yourself. Hi guys, my name is Omri from AI Academy, and today I'll be showing you how to turn yourself into Lo-Fi Girl using ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Suno AI. If you like AI videos, make sure you check out the channel. We have a ton of resources for AI tools, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing we want to do is take a picture of ourselves. So I have my picture right here. Once we have our picture, we want to go to Google and download a high quality picture of Lo-Fi Girl, just like this one right here. And once we have both pictures downloaded, we want to upload them to ChatGPT and say, create a picture of me, Lo-Fi Girl style. And then it'll create a picture of you in that same style as the image you uploaded. Once we have our image from ChatGPT, we want to open up MidJourney with the link in the description. And if you've never used MidJourney, MidJourney is a platform for image and video generation. As you can see right here, these are some of the creations of the community. And the possibilities with MidJourney are pretty much endless. Their subscription plans consist of a basic plan, standard plan, pro plan, and a mega plan. For the purpose of this video, we don't need anything above the basic plan. And the only reason why I have this standard plan is because I'm making a lot of videos about MidJourney, so I'm using this one. But yeah, with the basic plan, you get limited generation, so 200 images, general commercial terms, optional credit top-ups, 3 concurrent fast image jobs, 1 concurrent fast video job, and you can use the editor to edit your pictures. Now, once we got our subscription, we want to go back to our explore page. And as you can see, there's a prompt box up here on the explore page. So what we want to do is click on it and press add images. Next, we want to upload the image that we just generated into here and drag it into the starting frame box. Now with MidJourney, you have a ton of possibilities of things you can do, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using the starting frame. You can also use the image prompts, style references, and omni reference in a different case. This is more for image generation, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using the starting frame feature. Now, before we animate our video, we can click right here on the options button, and we can see that there's a couple options that we can select from. So there's the mode, there's standard mode versus raw mode. I typically use the standard mode for a lot of my basic images and animations. So we're going to be using the standard mode right here. And for motion, we have 2 options. We have low and high motion. So basically, let's say I take a picture of my hand and ask the AI to animate it. If I say low motion, it'll go like this. And if I say high motion, it'll be more sporadic. So once we choose low motions, because this is our lo-fi video, low motion, we can either prompt it to generate our animation or just send it in. Now, for a lot of low motion animations, I just like to send it in because it is pretty intuitive, but sometimes it doesn't get it 100% right on the first try. So once I send it in and it generates, if I don't like what it made, I'll just go in and change the prompt. So now while this is generating, let's go over to get our song. Now, the platform we're going to be using to generate songs is called Suno AI. We have a link in the description. And if you haven't heard of Suno AI, it's a platform where you can generate songs completely from scratch just using prompts. Now, Suno AI has 3 subscription plans, and they do have a free plan, which is what we're going to be using today. With their pro plan, you also get access to the V4.5 model, which is their most advanced model yet. The V3.5 is pretty good, but it is not as good as the V4.5. So I do recommend getting the pro plan. But for today, we're going to be using the free plan just to show you what you could do for free. So once we chose our plan, we can go to the create page, and we can simply give a prompt of a beat that we would like, a calm lo-fi song, Lo-Fi Girl style. Now, as you can see, my prompt is very oversimplified, but if you want your song to be more customized to whatever you want, you just make sure that your prompt is a lot better than this. And in order to do that, you can chat with ChatGPT and tell it to come up with a better prompt for Suno AI in order to create a song that sounds like Blink, and then describe what you want the song to sound like. But for now, let's generate this very simple song and see what it comes up with. And while that's generating, let's go back to our image. Very cool. So now we have our 4 generations. I kind of like this one. This one, the cup is kind of floating. I don't like it. Let's see this one. The pen is in the cup. This one, I raise the cup, just change hands. And so I do like this one. So what I'm going to do is click it, and I'm going to go right here on the bottom, and it says extend video. So I'm going to do is just press the auto button on the low motion extension, and it'll just extend the video with low motion. So it basically what it does is it takes this exact video and just extend it, and you get 4 different types of videos based on this one right here. So as you can see, we have 4 more videos generating, and these are going to be based on the video that we chose earlier. So once we open up Suno, we can see the 2 generations right here on the right side, and we can press play to hear the songs. Very nice lo-fi beat, and let's hear our other one. Very mellow, very nice. I like it. So as you can see, these songs are completely made with AI, and the entire prompt that I gave it was this right here. So in order to download this song, we have to click it and press these three dots right here, and then hover over the download button and press MP3. Now with a free plan, you don't have the right for commercial use, but if you do pay for the pro plan, you have rights to commercial use. But yeah, after you download your song, you can go back to MidJourney and look at the animations that we have. Very cool. So these are the animations that it came up with, and I think I like this one the best as I'm drinking another sip of the coffee. And now that I have this video, I want to click on it and I want to go over here to this button right here and download it. Cool. So real quick, we started off with ChatGPT with an image of ourselves and Lo-Fi Girl to generate an image of ourselves as Lo-Fi Girl. We dragged that image into MidJourney to create animations using low motion. Then we went to Suno AI to generate our lo-fi beat, and now we're going to piece it all together. So in order to piece it all together, we want to open up our editing software, so either CapCut or Premiere or whatever else you'd like. And in our editing software, we want to bring in the animation and the song. And once we have our footage and our song imported, we want to drag it over to our timeline, and we'll drag this song down here under the picture. And now we have our video playing within our editing software, and we have our song underneath as the soundtrack. And this is the final product. And there you go. We can now cut our song down right here. And if you want the video to be longer, all you have to do is just go back to MidJourney and just keep extending the video. But for the purpose of this video, we'll keep it just at this one go. And we have a very nice looking animated Lo-Fi Girl style video with AI generated music, an AI generated picture, and an AI generated animation. So yeah, if you end up doing this, please share your creations in the comments below. I would love to see them. And if you like AI videos, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And you can also comment what else you'd want me to do in future videos, and I'll make sure that I get to everyone's requests. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.